Welcome to the ultimate guide to DIY face masks for all skin types, where we harness clean beauty principles and the rising Skinimalism movement to craft spa-worthy treatments at home. Today's video taps into the global clean beauty shift, where transparency, sustainability, and naturally derived ingredients are the new baseline in skincare, and embraces Skinimalism, celebrating healthy, real skin with minimal, multifunctional routines. By understanding your unique skin type, oily, dry, sensitive, or combination, you'll unlock the full potential of each DIY mask. Let's dive in. Let's identify your skin type. Oily skin often feels slick by midday. Dry skin can feel tight or flaky. Sensitive skin may sting or redden easily. And combination, skin shows oiliness in the T-zone with dryness elsewhere. Later in the video, you'll see an on-screen quiz to pinpoint your type, so grab a mirror, tap along, and get ready to customize your masks for maximum glow. Now 4 simple recipes per skin type. Grab your kitchen staples. Oily skin, honey avocado mask. Mash 1/2 ripe avocado with 1 tablespoon honey and 1/2 teaspoon apple cider vinegar for balanced pH and gentle cleansing. Activated charcoal and clay mask. Mix 1 teaspoon activated charcoal, 2 tablespoon bentonite clay, and enough water to form a paste. Draws out impurities without overdrying. Turmeric and yogurt glow mask. Stir 1 teaspoon turmeric into 2 tablespoon plain yogurt, anti-inflammatory and brightening. Dry skin, oatmeal and honey mask. Combine 2 tablespoon ground oats with 1 tablespoon honey and a splash of rose water for soothing hydration. Avocado and milk mask. Blend 1/2 avocado with 1 tablespoon whole milk, rich in fatty acids and lactic acid for gentle exfoliation. Banana and yogurt mask. Mash 1/2 banana with 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, moisturizes while delivering ahas. Sensitive skin, oatmeal, aloe and honey mask. Mix 2 tablespoon oats, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, and 1 teaspoon raw honey, calming, anti-inflammatory, and moisturizing. Cucumber and yogurt mask. Blend 1/4 cucumber with 2 tablespoon yogurt, cooling and barrier-friendly. Chamomile tea soak mask. Steep 1 chamomile tea bag. Cool, mix with 1 tablespoon oats, soothes redness. Combination skin, French green clay and yogurt mask. Mix 2 tablespoon French green clay with 1 tablespoon yogurt, balances oiliness in the T-zone while hydrating cheeks. Avocado and aloe mask. Combine 1/2 avocado with 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, hydrating yet non-greasy. Multi-mask approach. Apply clay mask to oily areas and honey mask to dry zones simultaneously. Here's how to apply. Start with clean, damp skin and use a fan brush or clean fingers to apply an even layer. Avoid the eye area. For best results, leave on for 10-15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Use masks 1-2 times per week, rotating recipes to prevent overtreatment. And don't forget skin cycling, a 4-night rotation of exfoliation, retinol, and recovery phases to keep your barrier strong and results optimized in 2025. Always perform a patch test before trying new ingredients. Apply a small amount behind your ear and wait 24 hours for any reaction. If you're allergic to a component, swap in a gentler alternative, e.g., rice flour in place of oatmeal for grain-sensitive skin. For an extra boost, steam your face for 1-2 minutes before applying masks or finish with a cold compress to close pores. With consistent use and mindful customization, you'll enjoy a radiant, healthy complexion, all from the comfort of home. And that's a wrap on the ultimate guide to DIY face masks for all skin types. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next clean beauty deep dive. Let me know in the comments which mask you're most excited to try next. And don't forget to click on one of these videos right here to keep your glow going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.